and SpaceX, edit before it clears the friggin' tower. You see like 7 edits, right? This thing went up. I wish we had sound, but don't screw with it. And it all of a sudden it goes kerplunk. It went into some other medium. It stopped spinning. And that was interesting. We see this flat horizon, but this is the moon. That's interesting. This took off in Arizona, right? Arizona is right here. So it's noon here. Wherever the sun is, it's noon. It's about 11 a.m. in Arizona, and the moon was over here. So if the Earth was a basketball, that rocket is a millimeter, a fraction of a millimeter above the basketball, and the moon is on the floor. How did it see the moon? Okay? Refraction, gravity, anybody? Okay? If the Earth is a globe, there is a required distance to a physical horizon, but there is no physical horizon. The horizon is optical. These mountains here, all 8 of these, are over 700 miles away. There should be over 40 miles of curvature, physical curvature. So the mainstream, the only answer they could have is refraction. These are refracting up and stopping at eye level, right? You know what the mainstream media says about this, all scientists? Nothing. They don't even acknowledge its existence. They cannot acknowledge the existence of photos like this, and there's many, right? So here we did a test on a frozen lake at night. We have a camera at just 6 inches off the ice. We put these lights out here, 8 miles, 7 miles, 6 miles, and 5 miles. Just using the curvature calculator, it was bad enough. But I took off refraction, which I don't even believe it would affect it at all, and made it the best favor of the globe. 30 feet of curvature, 22, 15, and 9, but somehow they all showed up on the same level. Somehow. They all refracted up just the right amount at those distances and formed a straight line. Again, this is rock solid proof that we're not on a ball the size that they tell us at least. It would have to be thousands of times bigger. This is Mount Canigou. This is a shot from Aluja, France. We're looking out. Mount Canigou is over the ocean, 275 miles away. We can't see it because the top of the mountain is over a half a mile below the curvature. Or we can't see it because the light that's bouncing off of Mount Canigou isn't strong enough to push through the atmosphere and make it to our eyes. But twice a year when the sun lines up with the viewing spot of Mount Canigou, all of a sudden you can see Mount Canigou right here in its entirety. This is Mount Canigou. It's not a cloud. It's exactly where it's supposed to be. It's exactly it's on your horizon. Again, this is undeniable proof that we're not on a ball, but some people are just unwilling to look at it, right? 100,000 feet from NASA, 120,000 feet from an amateur. Somebody's lying, right? Circumnavigation. I can go around the world. You know, Amelia Earhart went around the world. The north is at the center. South is on the outside. East and west are circles. That